In the world of real estate, it's all about leads. Leads are the foundation upon which your entire business is built. Leads are the lifeblood of your business. They are the starting point of every successful transaction. They represent potential clients who are interested in buying, selling, or renting properties. Each lead is a new opportunity to build a relationship and close a deal. Without a consistent flow of leads, it's tough to make those connections and close deals. The real estate market is competitive, and staying ahead means always having a pipeline of potential clients. You need to constantly be on the lookout for new and innovative ways to reach potential clients. Attending seminars, brainstorming sessions, and staying updated with the latest trends can give you an edge. That's where lead generation comes in. It's not just about finding leads, it's about attracting the right kind of leads. Lead generation is the art of attracting people who are interested in what you have to offer. In this case, your real estate services. It's about creating a strategy that draws people to you. It's about getting your name and your listings in front of the right people at the right time. This means understanding your target audience and knowing where to find them. Traditional methods like referrals and networking are still important, but in today's digital age, you need to up your game. Networking events and business meetings are great, but they need to be complemented with a strong online presence. You need a strategy that reaches people where they're spending most of their time, online. This means leveraging social media, real estate websites, and other online platforms. That's why understanding the power of digital marketing is no longer optional. It's essential. A well-crafted online ad campaign can reach thousands of potential clients in a matter of minutes. And when it comes to digital marketing for real estate, Google Ads is a game changer. It allows you to target specific demographics, track your results, and adjust your strategy in real time to maximize your reach and effectiveness. Imagine this. Someone is searching online for their dream home in your area. They could be sitting in their living room, sipping coffee and browsing through endless listings. They type in a specific keyword like modern condos downtown, or maybe even something more niche like pet-friendly apartments with a view. And boom, your ad pops up showcasing a stunning property that perfectly matches their search. It's like magic, but it's really just smart advertising. That's the power of Google Ads. This platform is designed to make sure your properties get seen by the right people at the right time. Google Ads is a powerful online advertising platform that allows you to target potential clients precisely when they're actively searching for what you offer. You can customize your ads to appear for specific keywords, demographics, and even times of the day. It's like hosting a digital open house 24/7 that's specifically designed to attract people who are ready to buy, sell, or rent. Imagine giving a virtual tour to someone at midnight or during their lunch break. With Google Ads, you're not just casting a wide net and hoping for the best. You're using data and analytics to make informed decisions. You're strategically placing your message in front of a highly targeted audience who are already interested in your services. This means your ads are more likely to be clicked on by people who are genuinely interested. This means you're not wasting your time or money on people who aren't a good fit. Instead, you're maximizing your return on investment by focusing on those who are most likely to convert. You're focusing your efforts on those who are most likely to convert into paying clients. This targeted approach not only saves you money, but also increases your chances of closing deals and making your clients happy. So how do Google Ads actually work? It's all about keywords. Keywords are the terms or phrases that people type into Google when they're searching for something online. When you create a Google Ads campaign, you choose specific keywords that are relevant to your business. For example, if you specialize in luxury condos in Miami, you might target keywords like luxury condos Miami, oceanfront condos for sale, or Miami real estate agent. When someone searches for one of your chosen keywords, Google's algorithm decides which ads to display based on a variety of factors, including bid amount, ad quality, and relevance. If your ad is chosen, it will appear at the top or side of the search results page. This prime placement ensures that your ad gets noticed by potential clients who are actively searching for properties or real estate services in your area. Choosing the right keywords is essential for the success of your Google Ads campaign. It's not enough to simply choose any keywords that are related to real estate. You need to be strategic and target keywords that are relevant to your niche. If you specialize in a specific type of property or location, your keywords should reflect that. High volume, choose keywords that people are actually searching for. With low competition, targeting less competitive keywords can give you a better chance of ranking higher in search results. To help you find the right keywords, Google offers a powerful tool called the Keyword Planner. This tool provides valuable insights into keyword search volume, competition, and suggested bids. It's an invaluable resource for any real estate agent looking to optimize their Google Ads campaigns. Section 5. The power of timing and location. Timing and location are everything in real estate and, well, the same holds true for your Google Ads campaigns. You want to make sure your ads are seen by the right people at the right time, when they're most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. With Google Ads, you have the power to control exactly when and where your ads appear. You can target specific days of the week, times of day, and even geographic locations. For example, if you know that most people in your area start their home search on Saturday mornings, you can schedule your ads to run during those peak hours. You can also target specific neighborhoods or zip codes to ensure that your ads are seen by people who are actually interested in properties in your area. Section 6. The art of the gentle nudge, retargeting. Have you ever visited a website and then started seeing ads for that same website everywhere you go online? That's retargeting in action. Retargeting is a powerful advertising technique that allows you to stay top of mind with potential clients who have already shown interest in your services. Here's how it works. When someone visits your website, a cookie is placed on their browser. This cookie allows Google to track their online activity and show them your ads as they browse other websites. Retargeting is an effective way to re-engage potential clients who may have visited your website but didn't take any action, such as filling out a contact form or scheduling a showing. It's a gentle nudge to remind them of your services and encourage them to come back for more. Section 7. Finding the perfect format for your message. Google Ads offers a variety of ad formats to choose from, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these formats can help you make the most of your advertising budget and reach your target audience more effectively. Text ads are the most common type of Google Ads and appear at the top and bottom of search results pages. They are particularly effective for driving traffic to your website when users are actively searching for related keywords. They are simple and straightforward, consisting of a headline, a display URL, and a description. This format is ideal for conveying concise messages and calls to action. Image ads are more visually appealing and can be a great way to showcase properties or your brand. These ads can capture attention quickly and are perfect for highlighting the visual aspects of your offerings. They can appear on websites that are part of the Google Display Network, reaching a wide audience across different sites. Video ads, with the growing popularity of video content, can be a highly engaging way to connect with potential clients. Videos can tell a story, demonstrate features, and create an emotional connection with viewers. You can run video ads on YouTube, which is owned by Google. This platform offers a massive audience and various targeting options to ensure your ads reach the right people. The best ad format for your campaign will depend on your specific goals, target audience, and budget. Consider what you want to achieve and who you want to reach when choosing your ad format. Experiment with different formats to see what works best for you. Track your results and adjust your strategy as needed to optimize performance and achieve your advertising goals. Section 8. The numbers tell a story. Tracking and optimizing. One of the biggest advantages of Google Ads is the ability to track your campaign performance in real time. Google Ads provides detailed metrics that allow you to see exactly how your ads are performing, including impressions, the number of times your ad has been shown, clicks, the number of times someone has clicked on your ad, click-through rate, the percentage of people who click on your ad after seeing it, and conversion rate, the percentage of people who complete a desired action, such as filling out a contact form or making a purchase, after clicking on your ad. By tracking these metrics, you can identify what's working and what's not, and make adjustments to your campaigns accordingly. This data-driven approach ensures that you're getting the most out of your advertising budget and maximizing your return on investment. Section 9. Budget-friendly and flexible. Google Ads fits your needs. One of the best things about Google Ads is that it's incredibly flexible and budget-friendly. You can set your own budget, whether it's $50 a day or $500 a day, and you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. This pay-per-click model makes Google Ads accessible to businesses of all sizes, from individual real estate agents to large brokerage firms. You can start small and gradually increase your budget as you see results. Plus, you can pause or adjust your campaigns at any time, giving you complete control over your spending. Section 10. Ready to take your real estate game to the next level? Google Ads offers real estate professionals a powerful toolkit to generate leads, connect with potential clients, and grow their businesses. By harnessing the power of targeted advertising, you can reach the right people at the right time and achieve your real estate goals. Want to learn more about how to leverage the power of Google Ads for your real estate business? Subscribe to Realty Solutions today for more insights, tips, and strategies to dominate the digital landscape.